Up, man, I'm sick. I chipped my paint trying to close this door. It's not lined up. It's all good. We gonna fix it.
Ready?
Yeah. Small block. Small block. Cammed out. What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob. So right now I have a video. This is after the fact. I have a video that I recorded with Dash. We just got the Elcos together a couple of weeks ago. It was unplanned. I just had to go over there to get something from him. And so I decided to take the Elco and we just decided to make a video because the cars have never been together, man. And I just wanted to get one last little lick in before it starts getting cold, the road starts getting bad, salt gets on the road and all that kind of stuff. And the Elco is officially in hibernation. So this video happened prior to the Elco breaking down. So literally, I guess I kind of spoke it into existence, basically saying that, you know, I'm tired of things on the motor breaking down. And lo and behold, I had to get it towed home a couple of days after me and Dash made that video. The car is back running now. I believe I may have just flooded the carburetor. I don't really know how. I don't know how because I didn't really do anything except push the gas pedal a couple of times, and maybe because the car was already warmed up and everything was already solid, maybe I didn't have to do that, but it's never done that before, so I don't know, it was weird. The car is running now, but I'm still not going to like really be touching the car like that until we get to doing the drivetrain. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to get the car out towards the end of the you know, nice weather, just because I haven't gotten a chance to really drive the car like that. Because it's been constantly a project and I'm constantly working on something, constantly fixing something, constantly. So anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the footage because it was not planned. We just got out there and decided to make a video. And he has a video on it too, so go check that out at Dash's Garage. But yeah, man, just you know, I guess a little fun video, something a little different than the norm, you know what I mean? And I had stated before, I wanted to do more things with the cars. And obviously, you know, this is, like I said, it was unplanned. It was just like, you know, let's get together or whatever, and let's do it since we are together. And then, but next time, I guess you guys can expect more footage like this, especially when the Impala is done and everything is like solid and I'm ready to just take the cars out and do what I gotta do with them. So anyways, man, before we jump into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. I always appreciate all the love, all the support. We're growing, and I definitely appreciate y'all if y'all hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. had to bring the Elko out. You said this at 80? 80, 79. Here's the dashes. This has been on the channel before.
It's Aaliyah right there, man.
Aaliyah. Aaliyah. Yes, sir. Yeah, her car is dirty. Mad dirty, but it is what it is. Yes, sir. We gotta probably get some drone shots or something of these real quick. Like I said, man, I still need to cut and buff. It's probably gonna be one of the last times this car is out this year, though. You know, I didn't get to drive it a whole lot this year because things kept breaking on me. You know, sometimes that's how it go. But we out now, you know what I mean? So it's leaking a lot of tranny fluid and it's leaking radiator fluid. I don't know why, but it's leaking. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna probably start them. You wanna start yours up?
Fired up.
Let's hear what that sound like. You know what I'm saying? Got the LS in this one. You know. Let's see. Y'all have obviously heard mine, but out the LS. That's the LS power, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll start mine up too in a second. You know.
I forgot I left that cover on bolters.
Oh, it'll be alright. Oh yeah, he's straight. You know. LS got the headers and all that. Y'all have seen this before, man. Y'all have seen both of these cars before, obviously, if you've been following the channel for a while.
You got the drip tray coming.
He got the drip tray coming. He got it on his money, so we all good. You went to the same one?
Nah, I went with the cheap one for this one.
Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna start this. We're gonna start this one up. Man, I'm sick. I chipped my paint trying to close this door. It's not lined up. It's all good. We gonna fix it.
Ready?
Yeah. Small block. Small block. Cammed out. I don't know if this one's canned, but they sound good, man. They sound real good. Just turn the knob back. Yep. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I had to come get this footage, man. Dash got the drone out. I tried to pull mine out, but it was acting stupid. But yeah, we got them together, man. First time together, that's crazy.
Disconnect the aircraft.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, man, that's gonna do it, man. Just went over there to Dash's house. Thought I'd bring him to Elko because I probably won't be having this car out anymore this season. You know what I'm saying? It's about to start getting cold. The roads are gonna start, you know, getting nasty and ugly, and I'm not gonna be out here trying to mess up my car or whatever, you know what I mean? But anyways, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. We try to get as much footage as possible. That was the first time that the Elkos have been together, so, you know, not that it would be a perfect morning, you know what I'm saying, and just bring out the whips, you know what I mean? So anyways, that was kind of unplanned. I just pulled up on him in the Elko, and because I had to go to his house to grab something for this welder. But yeah, anyways, man, without further ado, that's gonna be it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. I feel like the Elko did great, man. I couldn't be happier. But it's definitely time to take this motor out, and hopefully I can get through it through this winter, because I'm tired of everything on this motor starting to leak and do whatever else it got to do, man. I'm tired of that. I need it to be, you know what I'm saying, 100% solid, ready to go, so I can drive this car all summer next year and it'll be all good. But anyways, man, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was something different. We weren't in the shop, but we did get some footage of the whips. So I wish my drone always remember, work hard so you can live free.